In this video, I'll be showing you how to easily find out which version of Windows you have on your device. It's important to know your Windows version as certain software and updates require specific versions to run smoothly. So, let's get started. The quickest way to find out your Windows version is to press the Windows logo key +R on your keyboard. This will open up the Run dialog box. Then type WinVer in the dialog box and select OK. A pop-up window will appear displaying your Windows version. If you want to learn more about your version and get additional information, follow these steps. First, click on the Start button in the lower left corner of your screen. Next, select Settings from the menu that appears. From there, click on System. Then here click on About on the left drop-down menu. Under Device Specifications, you can see whether you're running a 32-bit or 64-bit version of Windows. Under Windows Specifications, you can check which edition and version of Windows your device is running. Knowing your Windows version is essential for troubleshooting, software compatibility, and keeping your device up to date. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in finding your Windows version. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos.